couple final things that we'll do for our kitchen. I want to add a backsplash behind our cook range, and then I will also want to place our kitchen island. So to add a backsplash behind our cook range, I'm going to use our slab tool. I'm just going to come in here. Let's go ahead and zoom in here a little bit. I'm going to come in here and let's go ahead and snap from cabinet to cabinet, and we'll create the rough shape of the backsplash. And I'm going to go ahead and pull this up to the ceiling and then behind the cook range. So we'll just snap that up to the top, and then we'll pull that down so that it bumps to the countertop. And then I'm going to double click to open this up, and I'm going to set the thickness of this to a 1/2 inch. And so we should be set with that, absent of the materials. I will close my elevation view down, and let's open up a perspective view. Save our cross section with our dimension information here. And let's choose our perspective floor overview camera. And let's zoom in and take a look at the different colors of the cabinet. So we can see that the material on the backsplash is basic concrete slab material. Now the default that I've used for the backsplash on the main cabinets, we can just simply use our color chooser, suck up the color, and spray that onto the backsplash for the cook range. That's a pretty dark color, so let's go ahead and open up our library and find something a little bit more interesting. Let's lighten up that backsplash, and then we'll also select some additional colors. Open up our library, and one of our manufacturers here is Zodiac. So I'm going to come down here, and I'm going to choose a couple of the colors. And you can kind of have fun and spray on the different colors in the plan. And we'll just choose a handful that we can select. You can always change one, or I've got an option with my material painter to paint all in the room, so we can make that entire change. Let's go in and find some colors for the cabinets. Any of the objects you can easily spray the paint or colors on. You can find the different colors by simply browsing into the library here. And let's see if we can find a few of the manufacturers. Here's our Behr paint catalog. We can come in here, choose a lighter color, spray it. It's very easy to visualize the different color combinations, especially for your clients. Then you can save these renderings out in a few different styles. Here's an example that we've rendered this kitchen out. You can see in the upper left-hand corner here, we rendered the kitchen out with white cabinets, dark cabinets, and then in the lower left corner is the actual photo. So it gives you the ability to use these colors, materials, textures to quickly render these scenes out. And then you can use this to sell your client and help them visualize what they might want to look at. Let's return back to our plan, and I've actually saved some colors that I wanted to use for this plan in my favorites folder. So I'm going to come down into the favorites folder that I have set up here. And let's browse down and let's find the color that we're after. I'm going to select this tile glass and let's apply that into the backsplash. And then I'm going to select the Benjamin Moore color for the cabinets, Nantucket Breeze, and we'll apply that to the cabinets. So you can see the effects of that. Again, if you find a color on a website or materials that you've gotten from a digital photo, you can easily use that and add that into your own folder and then apply that specific color. It's kind of a fun step, and if you want to share this with your clients, put it on a website, email it to them, or even take a virtual tour. Any of the mouse movements that you make on the screen, you can actually record those.